Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the top video editing tools you need to know about. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, we have something for you. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about Adobe Premiere Pro. This is the go-to choice for many professionals. It has powerful features like multi-camera editing, advanced color correction, and seamless integration with other Adobe Creative Cloud apps. It's perfect for those high-end projects requiring precision and flexibility. Next on our list is Final Cut Pro X. If you're a Mac user, this software is a fantastic choice. Known for its performance and intuitive interface, Final Cut Pro X offers advanced features like magnetic timeline and professional color grading tools. It's designed to make your editing process smooth and efficient. For those who want a powerful tool without breaking the bank, DaVinci Resolve is a game changer. It offers a robust free version with high-end features, including exceptional color correction and professional editing tools. It's ideal for both beginners and advanced users. If you're new to video editing and looking for something simple, iMovie is your best bet, especially if you're using Mac OS or iOS. It's user-friendly and perfect for quick, straightforward edits. Finally, if you're looking for something intuitive with a lot of built-in effects, Filmora is worth checking out. It's easy to use and perfect for creating polished videos quickly. So, there you have it, our roundup of the best video editing tools available right now. Whether you're editing for fun or working on professional projects, there's something here for everyone. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.